Welcome to Learn Android Development series, where you would learn to create simple apps and earn money through it. My name is Mahdi Hassan, and I will be leading you through the course. I have been working with Android development for the past 2 years, gaining valuable experience, which I would like to share with you now. We designed a course for anyone seeking to learn Android development and make money with the skill sets. By the end of the course, you will have the knowledge of Android app development and also will have learned the strategies to monetize your app. We will be teaching you in a way like the official Google developers from their own documentation, and the methods will give you predictively good results in less than a week. This method is great for someone with little or no prior experience. Not only we will cover the details, but we will also provide valuable resources for free. Together, we will walk you through the entire process step by step. The ideal students for this course would be someone who wants to be an Android developer or who wants to design and build their own apps. The requirements are PC, IDE, and an internet connection. We hope you will come with an open mind and ready to learn. Feel free to take a look through the description, and we look forward to see you inside.